Very good morning, dear friends. Om Shanti. Let us remember the universal statement of Swamiji. Arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is reached. We should have very strong willpower, tremendous energy, enthusiasm, commitment, dedication, passion, perseverance, persistence, so on and so forth. And without being perturbed, we must persist and overcome all the hurdles, difficulties, impediments, disadvantages, disasters, and continue our journey to the ultimate goal. And so stop not till the goal is reached. Here we need lot of courage, lot of will, lot of motivations and inspiration. The very philosophy of life is that whatever idea we have put in our mind, with patience, enjoying our journey, pushing ourselves, always being focused, continually improving, and never saying die, never giving up, never quitting, never say never. You can make me stand up at the gate of hell, I won't back down. Because if we are coward, this is the greatest sin. If you feel we are weak, this is the great weakness on this planet, as Swamiji said. We are very strong. We should have faith, belief, trust, and we should keep our head balanced and use our all abilities, capabilities as per time and circumstances. The sun will rise for us. मन के हारे हार है, मन के जीते जीत, कहे कबीर गुरु पाइए मन ही के प्रतीत. It is our invincible mind, the toughest mind, keeping the head in every disadvantageous circumstances and making a very solitary and irresistible progress, overcoming thousands of hurdles. We can make us an iron will man, and nothing can prevent us from reaching our goal. That is the philosophy of our great spiritual guru, Swamiji. And dear friends, I have repeatedly told you, Brahma Kumari Usha Madam, she is the living incarnate of Goddess Saraswati. She also teaches the same philosophy, which is derived from Gita, Ramayana, Upanishads. These epics teach us to be very brave, to behave like Eklavya, endowed with the spirit of self-help. And if you help yourself, God will help you. The heaven will come and give you all the support. And also like Arjuna, who sees nothing but only his goal, the objective. Always focused, with full concentration, total commitment, absolute dedication. Nothing can prevent success from such great people. मन के हारे हार है, मन के जीते जीत, कहे कबीर गुरु पाइए मन ही के प्रतीत. जिन खोजा तिन पाइयां गहरे पानी पैठ, जो भौरा डूबंडरा रहा किनारे बैठ। धीरे धीरे रे मना धीरे सब कुछ होए, माली सींचे सो घरा ऋतु आए फल होए। The patience is the ultimate secret of your success. Patience, persistence and perseverance. In no circumstances we should give up. We should quit. Because I have repeatedly told you, when Steve Jobs was interviewed, that if you want to succeed in life, you should be passionate, you should have love for your job and enjoy doing that. If you do not enjoy doing that, this is a very long journey. You will start thinking, reaching there, and then you will be frustrated. Lot of failures and defeats, lots of failures and defeats will overpower your spirit and you will surrender to it. This is the most reasonable thing. So love it, do it like a lion, wholeheartedly, put strenuous effort, enjoy doing that. Then there is only a scope that you will excel in this life. Fruits are not immediate. The long journey takes long time to reach there. So be prepared. And if you have a great idea, then definitely great goals takes a lot of time. Survive with time with your faith in yourself, believe in yourself, and believe in God also. Because the total strength we derive from the absolute limitless power. The limitless power is just like a very strong magnet, and we are just magnetic material if we offer ourselves in that divine field of absolute power. We also become induced and behave like that great God. As Swamiji Vivekananda told, if you concentrate and manifest your divinity, believing that all power is within you, stand up and express the divinity within you, dear friends. Strength is only our character. Weakness is death. We should never feel we are weak. We should never give up. Dear friends, I will support this statement by a great composition by Ramdhari Singh Dinkar here. This is a poem, very inspiring and motivating, conveying the message I have expressed in English. This is in Hindi. मंजिल दूर नहीं है, वह प्रदीप जो दिख रहा है, झिलमिल दूर नहीं है। थक कर बैठ गए क्यों भाई, मंजिल दूर नहीं है। अपनी हड्डी की मशाल से हृदय चीरते तमका, अपनी हड्डी की मशाल से हृदय चीरते तमका। सारी रात चले तुम दुख झेलते कुलिश निर्मल का। सारी रात चले तुम दुख झेलते कुलिश निर्मल का। एक खे है शेष किस विध पार उसे कर जाओ, वह देखो उस पार चमकता है मंजिल प्रियतम का। आकर इतना पास फिरे वह सच्चा शूर नहीं है, थक कर बैठ गए क्यों भाई, मंजिल दूर नहीं है। दिशा दीप्त हो उठी प्राप्त कर पुण्य प्रकाश तुम्हारा। दिशा दीप्त हो उठी प्राप्त कर पुण्य प्रकाश तुम्हारा। लिखा जा चुका अनल अक्षरों में है इतिहास तुम्हारा। जिस मिट्टी ने लहू पिया वह फूल खिलाएगी ही। जिस मिट्टी ने लहू पिया वह फूल खिलाएगी ही। अंबर पर घन बन छाएगा ही उच्छ्वास तुम्हारा। अंबर पर घन बन छाएगा ही उच्छ्वास तुम्हारा। और अधिक ले जांच, हा ब्यूटीफुल, और अधिक ले जांच, देवता इतना क्रूर नहीं है। अविलंबन है अखिलेश्वर का। और अधिक ले जांच, देवता इतना क्रूर नहीं है। थक कर बैठ गए क्यों भाई, मंजिल दूर नहीं है। डियर फ्रेंड्स, नेवर गिव अप, नेवर क्विट। With your very strong willpower, and never say die attitude, do or die. Everything can be achieved on earth. What you need is a very strong mind, the faith, belief, the conviction. You can move the earth. You can do any impossible on earth. Lot of impossibles have been achieved by people. Enthusiastic, energetic, determined, dedicated, committed souls. We are not an exception. You are endowed with all this energy, all this power. Just commit yourself. Be focused. That is the secret of success in life. Be brave, be valiant, be a hero, be a giant, because you are born like that. Never underestimate yourself. Manifest that divine power within you. But the concentration, as Swamiji says, is the real secret. Full concentration, no diversification. Converge your total energy at one single point, and everything is possible on this globe. I love you very much, and I thank you very much. Om Shanti. This talk is presented to my spiritual Guru, Brahma Kumari Usha Ji. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devi Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah. गुरु गोविंद दो खरे काको लागू पाए, बलिहारी गुरु आपनो जिन गुरु गोविंद दियो बताए। ओम शांति, ओम शांति।